Hey guys, welcome to Harry Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can play music in Discord or add music bot to Discord. So at first go to Google and search for Fredbot and then click on invite to server, and then it's going to ask you to log in. Once you do, it's going to bring you to a page like this, and you have to select the server, select whatever server you want, and then continue and then authorize, and then click on I'm a human. Back to Discord. After it's joined, just click on play and then tap on this Golden by Harry Styles, and then it will provide you the options, so you have to select on suppose one, and there you go, the song will be played. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.